Hello children, how are you all? I know you all are fine because you are enjoying your holidays, but we are not supposed to enjoy only holidays. With holidays, with playing, we have to study well because you all are good children, right? Okay, now tell me first, how many vowels word we have finished? Yes, with A, E, I. And today we are going to do which sound words? Correct. O. Which sound word we are going to do? O. So all of you look here. Okay. Okay, look here. First of all, tell me, which rhyming sound is that? You have to spell it. O-T, ot. What it is, children? O-T, ot. Very good. Now, look here. What is the vowel sound? Yes, O vowel sound, right? But what is the rhyming sound? Correct. O-T, ot. Now, can you see the initial sound? Which initial sound is there? Very good. H. What is that? H. So, what it means? H-O-T, hot. All of you repeat. H-O-T, hot. Once again. H-O-T, hot. Very good. Now tell me, what is hot? Yes, when mama prepares khana, right? It will be hot. Then tea is hot. Sometime your milk is also hot. Then what mama do? She cool down, right? Correct. Now look here again. What is the rhyming sound? Very good. O-T, ot. Now look at the initial sound. What is that, children? Correct. P. So what it will be? When O-T, ot and you put initial sound P, what it will be? Pot. All of you repeat. Pot. Now we are going to spell it. P-O-T, pot. All of you. P-O-T, pot. Okay, you know what is pot? Yes. What is pot? Correct. Flower pot we have, right? We plant it. Correct. That is a pot. Now look here. Again, what is the rhyming sound? Come on. Very good. O-T, ot. Okay, now what is the initial sound? C. So what it will become, children? Very good. C-O-T, cot. You know what is cot? It is a small bed. Okay. So come on, all of you say C-O-T, cot. All of you. C-O-T, cot. You have to look on the board. So it will be easy for you. Yes, children? Now, look at the rhyming sound. What is that? Correct. O-T, ot. Now, look at the initial sound. Which sound is that? Yes, G. So, what it will be? G-O-T, got. Again, children, G-O-T, got. When we get something, when mama gives us something, what I got? Yes, then we say got. Okay. Now, O-T, ot. Very good. And look at the initial sound. Correct. What it is? Right. L. So, what it will be? L-O-T, lot. All of you repeat. L-O-T, lot. Lot means too much, right? Now, look here. Now, which rhyming sound? Correct. O-B, ob. Say all of you. O-B, ob. Now, can you see the rhyming sound here? Yes, it is O-B, ob. Now, here, rhyming sound is correct. Ob. And what is the initial sound? All of you look. Yes, B. So, what it will be? B-O-B, bob. All of you look here. B-O-B, bob. Repeat, children. B-O-B, bob. Okay. Now look here. Tell me, what is the rhyming sound? Correct. O-B, ob. And look at the initial sound. What is that? Very good. R. So what it will be? R-O-B, rob. Again, children, R-O-B, rob. What is rob, you know? When we take away others' thing without knowing, without telling them, it is wrong to rob. Okay, children? Now, S-O-B, sob, right? What is the rhyming sound? O-B, ob. And what is the initial sound? Correct, S. So, what is that? S-O-B, sob. You know what is sob? When you cry loudly with noise, that is called sob. Now, what is this? Correct, O-B, ob. Okay, now look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound? Good, it is J. What it will be? Come on, all of you spell after me. J-O-B, job. Once again, children, J-O-B, job. You know what is job? Yes, your daddy goes for a job, okay, to work. That is called job. Now, look here. M-O-B, mob. Look at the rhyming sound. Come on, tell me rhyming sound. Correct. O-B, ob. And what is the initial sound? Look there, children. Very good. It is M. So, what it will be? M-O-B, mob. Look here, children. Repeat after me. M-O-B, mob. You know what is mob? When there is a big crowd, big gathering, that is called mob. Now, look here. Now, what is the rhyming sound? Yes, O-D, odd. All of you say, children, O-D, odd. Now, can you see the rhyming sound same over here? Yes, see here. O-D, odd. Then again down, O-D, odd. So, when it comes same, we call it rhyming sound. Okay. Now, the rhyming sound is odd. And what is the initial sound? What we have added to it? Correct, R. So, what it will be, children? Correct, R-O-D, rod. Okay, what it will be, children? Look here on the board. R-O-D, rod. You have seen that iron rod, right, children? Good. Now, look, come on, tell me what is the rhyming sound? All of you try. Very good. O-D, odd. Now, look at the initial sound. What is that? Correct, C. So, what it will be? Look here on the board. C-O-D, cod. Once again, C-O-D, cod. Okay, cod is a type of a fish. Okay, now, come on, tell me the rhyming sound. Correct, O-D, odd. Now, look at the initial sound. Which is the initial sound? Yes, P. So, what it will be, children? Good, P-O-D, pod. All of you repeat, P-O-D, pod. Look here, children, P-O-D, pod. Okay, all of you like to eat that green peas, right? That full thing, we call it pod. Now, again, look at the rhyming sound. Come on, tell me. Very good. O-D, odd. And look at the initial sound. What is that? Yes, N. Which sound is that? N. Now, what it will become? Come on, try. Very good. N-O-D, nod. You know what is nod? When you move your head up and down, that is called nod. Up and down, side to side. Again do up and down, side to side. That is called nodding. Okay. Now, look here. What is the rhyming sound now? Very good. O-G, og. What is that, children? O-G, og. Here, look at this. What is the rhyming sound? Correct. O-G, og. Okay, can you see that initial sound? Yes, correct. D. So, what it will be, children? Very good. It will be D-O-G, dog. And all of you know what is dog, right? Good. Now, look here. What is the rhyming sound? Yes, O-G, og. And what is the initial sound there? That is L. So what it will be, children? Correct. L-O-G, log. All of you repeat after me. L-O-G, log. Log is a, yes, when a big tree is there and we cut the trunk, what we cut, that is called log. Okay, now look here. What is the rhyming sound? Yes, O-G, og. And look at the initial sound. Yes, F. So what it will be? Correct. F-O-G, fog. What it will be, children? F-O-G, fog. Very good. When winter season, when you see in the early morning, everywhere you see white. Correct? That is called fog. Now look here. O-G, og. Come on, all of you repeat. O-G, og. Okay. And look at the initial sound. What it is? Correct. H. What is the initial sound? H. So now, come on, all of you have to repeat after me. H-O-G, hog. All of you repeat. H-O-G, hog. Hog is a pig. Right. Now, again, what is the rhyming sound? Yes, O-G, og. And what is the initial sound? J. So what it will be? Yes, J-O-G, jog. All of you do jogging, right? Come on, do. Very good. Come on, repeat after me. J-O-G, jog. Correct. Now, look here. What is the rhyming sound now? Yes, it is O-P, op. Okay. Now, look here. What is the rhyming sound here? Very good. Op. Now, can you see the initial sound? What is that? It is T. So, what it will be, children? Yes, it will be T-O-P, top. Look here and say loudly. T-O-P, top. Have you seen top? Yes, you play with the top, right? Yes. Now, look here. Come on, tell me, what is the rhyming sound? Yes, correct. It is O-P, op. And what is the initial sound? Yes, M. So, what it will be now? M-O-P, mop. All of you say M-O-P, mop. You know what is mop, no? Yes, with the stick. Mama do mopping at home, right? Correct. Now, look here. Again, come on, tell me what is the rhyming sound? Yes, O-P, op. And what is the initial sound? It is H. So, what it will be? Come on, try. Correct. H-O-P, hop. Okay, you know what is hop? When you hop with one leg. Come on, all of you try. Yes, come on, hop. Very good. Come on, all of you look here and repeat after me. H-O-P, hop. Again, children. H-O-P, hop. Now, look here. What is this? Correct. O-P, op. Now, look at the initial sound. What is that? Correct. P. What is that, children? P. So, what it will become? P-O-P, pop. You know what is pop? When there is a loud noise, loud explosion, we call it pop. So, all of you repeat. P-O-P, pop. Very good. Now, look here. What is the rhyming sound? Yes, O-X, ox. Yes. Now, again, look here, rhyming sound. What is that? Correct. O-X, ox. Okay. And what is the initial sound? Yes, F. So, what it will become? F-O-X, fox. All of you repeat. F-O-X, fox. Have you seen fox? And you know the story of a fox. The fox and the grapes, right? Yes, very good. Now look here. What is the rhyming sound? Correct. O-X, ox. And what is the initial sound? B. So, what it will become? B-O-X, box. All of you repeat. B-O-X, box. You know what is box, no? Yes, we keep things inside the box. You have got pencil box also, right children? Very good. Now, what is the rhyming sound? Come on, try. Yes, good. It is O-X, ox. And look at the initial sound. What is that? P. What is that, children? P. So, what it will become? P-O-X, pox. All of you repeat. P-O-X, pox. Yes, many times you get that chicken pox, right? That is a disease. Okay. So, what you are going to do, children? You all are good children. So, you are going to write these words one time in your book, and you have to learn properly, and you should know the meaning of this, right? So, study well and be a good children.